What's going on today, guys? Today we're in the garage and we are going to show you how to press on a bearing with a light bulb. Believe it or not, this will work. This will be great for the guys that are in the garage and you don't have a torch and you can't heat something up, but there is another way to do it. Now don't get me wrong, you never really want to heat up a bearing because you'll distort it. But this way, when you heat up the bearing, if you do it just right, you won't take the temper out of it, you won't ruin it, and you'll still be able to accomplish what you need. Here we got a bearing. Tapered bearing. Always remember, keep it on a tapered bearing, not a sealed bearing. You'll end up melting the seal. And this is an old posi unit, center section carrier out of an 8 3/4 Mopar. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this bearing, we're going to set it on top of this light. And you turn on the light. Now we just got to wait a few minutes. Now with the bearing sitting on the light, it's taken roughly about 4, maybe 5 minutes, and you'll notice the oil from my hands and the residue from the bearing with the old oil on it is starting to smoke a little bit. That'll give you time. That'll give you enough indication to know that it's about time. So put on some gloves and let's see what we got. And just like that, it's pressed on. Let it cool. I also suggest, if you got a chance, if you have a refrigerator, take and put the carrier in the refrigerator. Freeze that, get the bearing warm, it'll drop right on. Once the bearing cools down, it will contract around the carrier and it will stay tight. Remember, make sure you get a light that has a lot of watts. You need that heat from that light. It will really help and speed things up. This particular light is a cheaper light, so it took a little longer. And also make sure you get a good one with the glass in it, otherwise it'll break. If you guys like what I gotta say, tune into my YouTube page, In the Garage. Peace out. See you guys next time.